Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we'd like to talk to you about the Ratcheting tie down by S-Line. This is a simple, easy to use tie down. It is 10 feet long and 1 inch wide and has a working load limit of 300 pounds and a breaking strength of 900 pounds. So to kind of take a better look at this product, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have the product out of the package, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the ratchet tie down. As you can see, we have two parts. We have the fixed end and the adjustable end. And first we're going to go ahead and take a look at the fixed end here. It's a durable steel, so you know that as you're using it, it's going to be able to take a beating, and it has the retractable spring to help with the release as well. But we'll go over that a little bit more when we get to it. On the other end of the fixed end, and this is also on the adjustable end as well, we have the coated steel S-hook. To kind of show how the ratchet is used, you would just get it where the opening lines up, and you just feed the strap itself in. Now, you don't want to leave too much slack. You'll have to pull it to your desired length. And then once you get there, you just go ahead and give it a couple ratchets until you can see that it's nice and tight. Simple, easy to use, and when you take a look at the webbing itself, it's a polyester webbing. It is durable and highly weather resistant, so you know that it will be able to withstand through any element as you're using it. All right guys, once again, this is the 10-foot ratchet tie down by S-Line. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com. And thank you for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product videos for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.